And here are the crypto top headlines. First up, BTC price pushes towards $36,000 ahead of 2023's last approval period for Bitcoin ETFs. Next, HSBC taps Ripple's Metaco to launch security token custody. Also, Ripple Swell starts with Blast as Ripple payments now enabled between Africa, Australia, and UK. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, BTC price pushes towards $36,000 ahead of 2023's last approval period for Bitcoin ETFs. Analysts at Bloomberg predict that if a spot Bitcoin ETF is not approved in this period, there's still a 90% chance for approval by January 10th. The Securities and Exchange Commission has one last short window, an 8-day period starting Thursday, if it wants to approve all 12 spot Bitcoin ETF applications this year, Bloomberg intelligence analysts wrote in a note on Wednesday. Bitcoin traded slightly higher on Wednesday afternoon, staying well past the $35,000 mark ahead of the start of the period. The analysts Eric Bachanas and James Seifert, who expect the SEC to ultimately allow all 12 applications to launch their products, wrote that comment periods for 7 applicants end on Wednesday, which means the SEC could issue approval orders starting Thursday, November 9th through November 17th. This is the first approval window after Grayscale's court victory on October 23rd to convert its roughly $17 billion Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC, into a spot ETF. 3 applicants, Hashdex, Franklin, and Global X, may have their own comment periods, the note said. So if the SEC is willing to disregard those applications for now, they could issue approvals for the first 9 filings, which include BlackRock, Grayscale, 21 Shares and ARK, Bitwise, Van Eck, WisdomTree, Invesco and Galaxy, Fidelity, and Valkyrie. The analysts believe that even if the SEC delays its decision another time during this period, there's still a 90% chance that at least one spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved by January 10th. Our next top headline, HSBC taps Ripple's Metaco to launch security token custody. HSBC has partnered with Ripple-owned tech firm Metaco to allow institutional investors to hold tokenized securities on its new custody platform. Major global banking company HSBC plans to launch an institutional custody platform for tokenized securities, also known as security tokens. HSBC has partnered with Ripple-owned tech firm Metaco to integrate its institutional platform Harmonize with HSBC's new custody service for digital assets, the firm announced on November 8th. The bank expects to roll out the new digital asset custody service in 2024, complementing its digital asset issuance platform known as HSBC Orion and HSBC offering for tokenized physical gold launched on November 1st, 2023. Together, the services form a complete digital asset offering for HSBC's institutional clients, the firm said. These services underscore HSBC's commitment to the overall development of digital asset markets. HSBC's global head of digital asset strategy, John O'Neill, noted. HSBC's plans to launch digital asset custody came in response to the increasing demand for custody and fund administration of digital assets from asset managers and asset owners, according to HSBC's head of Digital, Data, and Innovation, Zhu Kang Li. This market continues to evolve, Li stressed, adding that asset servicers have never seen a more important time to innovate. A spokesperson for HSBC stressed in a statement to Cointelegraph that the upcoming digital asset custody platform for institutional investors would only cover security tokens and would not include cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and stablecoins like Tether. Unlike a pure cryptocurrency, a tokenized security is a digital representation of a security issued and moved on the blockchain. HSBC has been seeking talent for its tokenized securities division for a while. As previously reported, HSBC was looking for a candidate with expertise in digital assets, particularly asset tokenization and custody, in February 2022. HSBC's move into tokenized securities is not the first company's foray into the blockchain and crypto industry. On November 1st, HSBC announced successful testing of tokenized deposits in collaboration with major Chinese financial services provider Ant Group. Our next top headline, Ripple Swell starts with blast as Ripple payments now enabled between Africa, Australia, and UK. Ripple partners with Onafrique to expand its remittance solution in 27 African countries, the UK, Australia, and the Gulf Cooperation Council, or GCC. Ripple tweeted, "We're proud to announce that our partner at Onafrique will utilize Ripple Payments, our crypto-enabled payments technology, to open up 3 new payments corridors between Africa and the rest of the world." Leading blockchain company Ripple Labs has announced a strategic partnership during the start of Ripple Swell with payments fintech Onafrique to broaden its remittance capabilities. Under the partnership, Onafrique will leverage Ripple's technology to facilitate crypto asset-related payments in Africa and other regions. With Ripple's solution, Onafrique has opened 3 new payment corridors in the UK, Gulf nations, and Australia. According to the announcement, Zazi Transfer will serve customers in Australia, while PayAngel will enable remittance services for its customers in the UK. In addition, Abu Dhabi-based PayPal will cater to customers within GCC nations, including Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, the United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia. Aaron Sears, Ripple's Senior Vice President of Global Customer Success, shared his enthusiasm about the company's service expansion into Africa. He mentioned that by linking their partners, PayAngel, PayPal, and Zazi Transfer with Onafrique through Ripple Payments, they aim to provide faster and more cost-effective cross-border payment solutions. This will benefit individuals looking to send money to Africa from various parts of the world. MFS Africa rebrands to Onafrique. Formerly known as MFS Africa, Onafrique is a fintech company that offers mobile financial solutions across Africa. MFS Africa recently changed its name to Onafrique following its significant growth and acquisition, especially the June 2022 purchase of U.S.-based payment software developer Global Technology Partner, or GTP. With the acquisition, Onafrique expanded its reach into the U.S. markets. However, the company opted for a name change since another U.S. company operates under the trademark MFS. It bears mentioning that Onafreak has been a major partner of Ripple. The company's partnership with Ripple has led to its integration of on-demand liquidity, or ODL, a solution leveraging XRP to facilitate cross-border remittances. As reported earlier, Onafreak inked a partnership deal with Western Union. The strategic partnership allows customers to send money from anywhere in the world into Onafreak-powered mobile wallets in Africa. Furthermore, Onafreak also partnered with Access Bank for outward remittances from Nigeria and Kenya. Meanwhile, Onafreak's latest partnership with Ripple comes during the opening of Ripple Swell, Ripple's annual conference. Onafreak links 500 million plus mobile wallets in 40 African nations, serving 1,300 plus payment corridors and fostering regional payment capability for smooth cross-border transactions. Notably, XRP enthusiasts speculate that the blockchain company could make significant announcements to set XRP on the path of a major rally. At the time of writing, XRP was down 2.1% to 67.7 cents, according to CoinGecko data. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.